n'abali b'ekisingulu erikwe manyabona wataka kuri kitananya Chinsa, Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Lynette Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke na kige kos kiamesa yamangana Amayia. Eye Nensoko TV, oboroso bumugusi.
Ya kigimo mwancho muligeli bw'Ensoko TV cyabere Chinsa Isano na Ibere asomo basobono nande tukikaba tukumanya Amayia kurwa asemesa ito ya Amayia iliyo nyara kwa kwimanya asenchiro bwikirano gati yali tubwata asomo basobono nigo ekyombe kyabagwakili nabarayi babo bale ase umugiro goika bosyo bwebigambiro ase bakaleko tebanga abana chibina nigo bakorolekana kwaba bale abakurumyo mwancho muligeli ya SMS ya Amayia somo basobono nigo tukubwatira no yominto Salome Kerubo na inchego ngorukwa Innocent Onyango. Tuachakire mwancho muligeli musbati bwe myaka ya igatua kurwe kenyoro gietangi tondoli ewadi yeligoma imeyense moye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba yuere ase county ya Nyamira nigasiri obwema bwaye na gotige ya mate yaye na magomba mange mulikyo ito Sofia nigo aikira senkeyo na gotumanya buna nigo ekagere nyagosira nigasiri obwema bwaye kubwatekana no gosialirwa ebibiriri.
Yetangi eretwaiko ase bikuro byali kurwa twanyora omusubati bwe myaka yegatwa oromo menye ase kinyomba cyokomenya se kinyoro kegeto cyomugako nyagosira mukwa wonyando muga musubati yo twanyora ngoja ngokorerwa ale first aid na baminto batangana ase ngiyo kumukonya gose mbagutoli obugima bwaye bono rende mbaigeti kumukonya lakini rende okorakana kere bare kunya kumurigarigeri nande indo bare kumukorera okora ngamba nyora ngana ciare bibiriri obokorana bibya muitase bwango mono na efenye njo muswazi na bwatire ne tibuli tomboro abwato bokeigo igo bono na itu rabo twichane kara mangana ya ikirase kinyo gitonga omo itonaro kari gusiare bibiriri igo bono igentu gitu musubati oyo ne bibiriri sinye kara ngurumbi arorekana bono tarachi amange nare gusabe serikali etokonya kinyore kigeto kietangi tondoli togane irie barasa so bwango mono barasera angeliwe abantu bonse bitomeda ase kinyore ketoche bamenyi nona benyechi bake nyoreke twensi bitoche ase barase yo ndatari kogosa elindo nyo bobo buboro ase kinyore kigita soyo moito injereli gigwe akogweni goyora toke na bibwate nande ntutagetige ndege gichikoirorera ase kinyore gite ase ngenjo ya tawete romondo kamono nande ne kageire kurumaega nga mangana naro gutatigata anya gukira aserera ikira abana bararuteirwe none chombe cyararuteiru cyakure lakini bonde kikerekyo twari kwimukirego muri kinyoro turangerwe barasa elinde tokonyane
tigaturwe chinseme cha tondoli asabara ibaba wakili gwetira ase kiombe kiabo kia Law Society of Kenya imambia lero nigo barire ira yogochia kobeka liberera asabana chebina au batebire nige gati yabo bagendete kubwatanirwa n'obukurumi nabo igo okwinyanyuri kwebina ebyo bitali konyora enachi ase chingaki chibwenderete nabo igo asabagotebanga nige bina bigendete goichorana ase ebigambiro banachebwe bina gwetira ase kiombe kiabo KLSK nigo banyara kwa bakora wasenkwani yabona mambia n'umuwakili Charles Kanjama.
We are asking every lawyer not to appear in any court that is subject to the targeted court boycott, and that includes the Supreme Court. As LSK, we are immediately preparing notice to those specific judges and magistrates so that they can take out the matters. Number 6, it's 6 or 7. Number 6, one of the measures of accountability that the judiciary promised the Law Society of Kenya and the public is publication of individual performance data for every judge or judicial officer. We've received communication from the Office of the Chief Justice that they intend to delay that publication because of a case that was filed a week ago, which has no orders stopping that publication. We strongly deplore the rollback of accountability, which is what the Law Society of Kenya has been pushing for.
Every one of us must carry, and is a fight that each and every one of us must be determined to see won. And we want to encourage the leadership of the Law Society that we are together with them, the membership is together with them, the country is together with them, and we must win this war. Thank you very much.
I did read to one of the judicial officers this morning, and she was shocked that I was able to tell her that she has to allow me to finish the exercise of reading the guidelines that the president had given. And I want to encourage all the lawyers in the country, plus the press, to actually magnify the notice that was given by the president of Law Society to ensure that this exercise is carried out and respected by all, because we are not fighting judges as such or magistrates as such. What we are fighting is the endemic corruption that has engulfed the judiciary.
Abo naba wakili toko genda bosio muraiwe kiama gia DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalo o soire asenkwana yokobeka chinsemo cha Mount Kenya sobwamo Wamalo anigatebire enkwana yomokonyi bomuraiwense Professor Kithure Kindiki yokogikelia bali babwate birengerelio byoko bagorogongo rwa enseme ya mochana busongo negentekia boigo nigakwanire okoirana kwensemo ya bokamba asobwamo wa Mount Kenya asekoba libo elimo na nigatebire negentekemo kyogosira campaign yo mwaka bw'ikirubere 20 na Isano na Ibere
Kiambu kwa mlima. Sijui kama mlisikia hiyo propaganda. Alafu tena wakasema eti wagawanye mlima huu, yani watenganishe west na east. Sijui kama mlisikia. Watu wa mlima umekataa kugawanyika, na leo niko hapa kusema hongera na msikubali kugawanyika. Na kando na kukataa kugawanyika, ninyi tena mumepiga hatua zaidi kutafuta cousins wenu wa Ukambani. Na mkasema sasa Ukambani ni Mount Kenya South. Sasa East and West munashikana muwe kimoja, kitu kimoja, na mshikane na Mount Kenya South ya Ukambani. Na mshike cousin wenu Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. So leo nikija hapa kwenu na kuja na furaha, sababu wale walijaribu kugawanya mlima huu wameshindwa. Na wiki hii nimesikia yule naibu wa rais anaitwa Kindiki, Profesa Kidure. Rigiji huwa anamuita jina ingine. Yeye amesema hata kubali mlima ugawanywe east and west. And Professor Kindiki, as I come to Kiambu County today, I want to congratulate you for refusing to be sucked into retrogressive divisive politics. That is the leadership we want, because jukumu kubwa lako wewe ukiwa naibu wa rais, ukisaidia rais wa Kenya kwa kipengee cha 131 ni kuhakikisha ya kwamba urais na rais wa Kenya anakuwa ndio nguzo ya umoja wa taifa.
Muligiriri waziri Wycliffe Oparanya okwanira obumo bw'ekiama kia ODM koba egento kiengencho asatebire chinguru chiabarai bekiama ekio nigo chibwenete kubekwa asokorende ekiama ekio gutigara ase ekieni giensengima ya Kenya. Oparanya boigo nigakwanire chinkwana chio kubeka obwamo ekiama kia UDA na kili kia ODM ase obwamo elio konyara koba bakogenda bosio kuligio oborai bwense omwaka bw'echirubere 2022.
Tunataka tu strengthen chama chetu cha ODM na tumekubali chama chetu kiungana na UDA tuunde muungano ya nguvu ambayo tunaweza kuunda serikali 2027. Hatuko na haja na vyeo katika chama. Kitu ya muhimu, hata mimi nikiwa vile niko naweza kuweka nguvu zaidi kwa hii chama. Si lazima paka niwe party leader. Naweza kuweka nguvu kwa sababu najua pia tunataka watu wetu wakuwe kwa serikali ijayo ya William Ruto. Because you can be playing your own, I play my own. When we put together at the end the two forces, then we have a strong ODM. I felt let me strengthen it here first. Because when Baba passed on, there were complaints saying, oh, yes, we have been ODM has remained for Luos. I'm saying no. ODM is a national party. It's a national party for all of us. And the fact that I've been in ODM since inception, 2000, among the founders of ODM. I have invested very heavily in this party. We have been on the streets together. I have scars here inflicted in me when I was in Maandamano. So how do I just come out of a party like that? If I have to come out, I must make sure I come out with my peace. Otherwise, we must fight within the party so that we have our right within the party.
Nili wabanyanyimbo rogongo ruwechi county chira senya ncha ya Indian Ali Nuno Dubat orure eko kentindigo chia saba na siasa bali bakona koyoga nibibago asemesangerekano ya kisiasa na nigatebire nigo barachiko baba kourwa abanyanyimbo babo kolengana na Ali ebikorwa byabwangoiga ebyo byabere bigokorekana asemesangerekano ya kisiasa nigo bigenderete kogoserelyo murembe bwebikosi byabanyanyimbo ime yense ya Kenya.
What I want to appeal to our leaders, whether political or otherwise, stakeholders, and opinion shapers, that security is not a political tool, and that one must come out. Security is not a political tool. It is the basis on which our economy is established. Our investment is casted on security, and even livelihoods of our people. Therefore, they should avoid using security as political talk points. We are there and we'll go for these criminals. Please give us time. Don't politicize security or use security as a political tool. It can't be. These are the bases on which our livelihoods are casted on. Investment, our economy, entire economy. So we will not allow politicians to use security as a political tool. Coastal region has not witnessed any incident of political intolerance so far. Different political groups have visited coast. Yesterday, part 1, we had Linda Mwananchi in Taita Taveta. There was no incident reported. They were here in the coastal region. No single incident has been reported. Mwisha Kalonzo and his team have been in Kwale. So I want to appeal to the politicians across all the political divide that let's not use security as a political tool. We have not had any intolerance, cases of political intolerance. Na kama hawa wanasiasa ndio wanachukua maguns, wana hire the goons, then I have no option as the regional police commander. When nirudishie ile officers tumeattach kwao, security officers, each one of them has got a security detail. 3 or 2 members of the National Police Service are attached to them as a security detail. If it is must that they have to move around with the political goons and hooligans, then I have no option than withdrawing the entire security detail of the members of parliament who are involved in hooliganism. I think I'm very clear.
Nchumuligari ayu nayo muteneri w'abanyanyimbo ali kurwa seseme iyo ya Coast. Wizara y'ebintu bitwetana inene Chinsana nigegendete kubwaterana asomurubiri bw'obusimeki bw'emetego etani bilioni 15 wikiro mwaka bw'ikiribere 32 igatiye mete wizara iyo ekora gusimekwa n'amatunda ayo arachikwa bendagira ukone segikaro ky'ababwatani b'ebiyombe aho nigo igasomo cyo Nairobi muri kyobotambase wizara iyo gitonga mugambi atebire emete y'ekikoko cy'avocado nabo igeli kurunga cy'palm nigera kigosimekwa asaba Kenya bawchikwa bakwenyorera engelia maega yokonia amatundaya.
And this is where we are calling the communities, the local leadership of these communities, get supported by KFS, carefree government, join us and restore forest in their local areas. Before, we had an approach where restoration was entirely the work of KFS. KFS cannot be everywhere. KFS is a representative of the government, but bringing in communities in a strong way, we have seen it work. And this model is also providing livelihood to the communities around the forest. Because one thing is, why do we destroy the forest? People are looking for livelihood. People want to survive. People want to eat. Forest sector is taking it forward, encouraging commercial forestry within the farms, and also growing of fruit trees. Within the 15 billion trees is growing of fruit trees. It's food to our communities, and also is income to our communities. We have specifically been able to identify a few value chains that we want to promote. One of them being cocoa, and we are introducing cocoa for the first time in this country. We have already launched it, and we have a target to do 1 billion cocoa trees in this country. We are expanding the area of avocado growing in this country. We're also targeting to do 1 billion extra more avocado grown in this country. Palm oil is another tree. Today, all the cooking oil that is used in this country, we are getting it from outside the country. Yet we have big potential to grow enough. So, as we sit here, even if there's nothing else, please get us seedlings for avocados. Get us seedlings for cocoa. Get us seedlings for palm oil. We have been told there is a Rodino coming. We are preparing.
Mwaziri muya mwanene bwense ya Bongereza Andy Burnham asentunde ntangani maiga yoko irabisi nigo anyarekoba gawikaransa se barasa y'abawaziri benseyu endi nigo aira libaga lyokoranse igose serikali ya Bongereza kitalike 20 yo maiga y'umwaziri mwanene mukuru Keir Starmer kwitigiye miremo kubwatekana niliberera litindi liriya bekwa nekiama kya Labour Party naboigo na Bongereza.
Can I just say, I expect this every meeting. We need to be a cost of living government, and getting that cost of living down and looking at all possible ways of doing that. I talked yesterday outside in Downing Street about bringing back hope, and that's got to be us, isn't it? We've got to do that. We can do that. And we've made a start today. We made the announcement about removing VAT from household electricity bills. It's not everything, but it shows our determination to do something about people's living standards.
Muligereri korwa ase enkwane yoyo waziri omanene bwense ya Bongereza Andy Burnham no twikira mweri wa Amayia Chinsa Isano ebere ndochi cyabutokire 19 maga Chinsa Isano ebere ngote bitwaro mu basomuya nande buya mono cyuika 10 komanyi wole ali agendete gukorekana kurwa chingongo sabasaki baito bagendete ko bakoyasaka nchinguru ku Innocent Onyango twali kubwaterana nulie ukokoro kimanyerero asilieta Salome Kirubo.